we have arrived in our Hotel Indigo in Seminyak, Bali Beach, I think. Yeah, so we just got our room and we're gonna go check our room now. So let's go. There's a mirror. There's another mirror. There's a mirror. Yeah, maybe. It is okay.
Oh, why different someone?
Let's go.
Oh, what's this? Oh,
We are fixing our extra bed. They gave us an extra bed. Okay, let's go in. What is a walk-in wardrobe here?
what's the wardrobe for?
Wow, mommy, we can wear this. You can iron your clothes and check what's in the cupboard. Oh, ironing. What's this? Oh, for your shoe. Or scratch your back. Oh, this one for most people also. Oh, and torchlight, extra pillow. Okay, let's go check. Oh, there's a makeup area for you. And oh my god, there's a... Wow, look at the toilet. People can see you outside swimming on the... You get to bathe here. You can see... Is it not sitting? Okay, never mind, it's not. I think... Oh crap, my socks wet. Oh, it's wet. They let me... Oh, socks is wet. So this is the first station of our room. Wow, it's like a beautiful setup for like all the different drinks. We have just a basic coffee machine. Okay, not really basic, it's more of an atas one. Oh, it's like you can put in this capsule for you to make your coffee. This is the bottled water. This is more coffee capsules, I think. Yeah, I'm sure what is inside this, but it's glass and it's really beautiful. But I shall not break it because I have to pay, I think, a huge sum of money. This is their what is this called? Juice presser. You can cut your oranges or whatever, then you then the juice will come out into here and you okay, then if from the juice what you want to do, you can use this shaker. It's a shaker. So you can then you pour into your different glasses. Here they have teas for you. Sweeteners, creamers, tea. Yeah, so beautiful set up. Oh, they even have a coffee. I'm sure it's for us to use, but I don't think so. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh yeah, here's the... They have a mini bar here, but I think you have to pay for the mini bar. They have a mini vodka, tissue. I don't know why it's very clear, but maybe it's for us. Pringles, nuts, and some snack. And a mini fridge for us. Oh, never mind. Let's not open it. Okay, let's not open it. But yes, it's a fridge. Different glass wines. Glass wine. And more glass wine. And oh, you even have a plate and knife. Beautiful. Oh, we have a kettle too. Okay, moving on. So, just beside this station, we have a wardrobe. You can do your makeup here or touch up or whatever. Store your passports in this. Safe box, hair dryer. You have beautiful bathrobes from the hotel, an ironing board, and some thing cloth bags for you to put your laundry. I don't know, it's the extra pillow. I think they take it. There's slippers. What's this? Oh, for you to store your shoes too, because it might be too smelly. Okay, next one. Next will be the toilet. The toilet. Okay, so the toilet, we start off with the toilet. The toilet is good, just nice for you to be lonely in the toilet.
For you, you mean?
Yeah, no. So once one person can stay in the toilet to do your business, then
You mean you do
another
2
person can come here and wash hand or have a beautiful shower.
and see through.
Yeah, see through. Okay lah, I think they have margarita.
Marigita.
So, oh, still wet. They never clean properly. So you can put the blinds, shower with this. Oh, it's a really huge space. I can dance in the shower. You close the door, right? So big. Let's start the big one. now moving on to the balcony. Oh yeah. Oh, you push from this side. And you have a nice view of the resort. You can see the beach just over there. It's a peak of the beach, and you can see the landscape of this beautiful resort. I heard they have 3 pools here. So they have an adult pool that is just here that opens till 9 p.m. at night, and they have a smaller pool that closes at 7, I think. And you see they have kids area, so it's really cool. So we're gonna bring you to other places later on, so stay tuned, okay? And see you later. So what we have here, I think this one is like a complimentary thing for us to try. If I'm not wrong, this is looks like pineapple tart, and it looks like some sponge cake. So what this represents, they have a mini story here for you, so I'm gonna read it out. So what they say is that you can drive through any local villages in Bali, and you'll see these vibrantly coloured coloured fighting roosters in woven cages like this, pecking at the green tip grass. Does this represent the grass? Never mind, at their feet. Okay, hear this. If you are lucky, you will see the cocks taken out from the cages to be stroked and caressed by local men who sit together enjoying the last ray of sunshine while discussing the qualities of their proud and elegant birds. Okay. So these small woven cages are made of rattan and can be found everywhere around the island. They are housing roosters until they fight one day. Technically, gambling on cockfighting is illegal, but this ritual is still practiced by many local men till date, and it often accompanies ceremonies. Okay, so this is just a small story. So look at our quite big, spacious bedroom. It has a very big king-size bed. We have a sofa. They gave us this one extra bed for free, so it's really nice of them. Really clean and lots of pillow. Look at this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pillows, if I'm not wrong.
I asked for a mixture of pillow. I think they really gave us mixture of pillow.
Because you get to select what kind of pillow you want even before you check in. So it's really cool. Like they have a menu for the pillows. So yeah, that's all for now. See you. Bye. So we are now at the beautiful pool. As you can see, there is like a few different pools, and oh my god, they have this sun bed where you can just sit down here, relax. And
where's my model?
Model, please. Go. This rock. Okay, he's showing the amazing rock. So, we should have bring volleyball and play here in the grass pad. And look at the pool. I think this is more of the kids pool. Then we have the adult main pool there. With a poolside bar. Oh, they have like this small little, I don't know whether can enter, but maybe for kids or baby and like that. Now we're moving on to the pool lounge. Yes. Promotion, buy 2 get 1 free cocktail from 1 to 5 p.m. every day, I think. Let's just move forward more to see the other pool and like pick at the beach. Small little area here is a jacuzzi, and this is the main pool, so you can actually go out of the main pool and step directly right into this small little pool. I'm not over there, but I hope I don't fall. Just give me a try. I don't dare. Why am I fall? Yeah, I got it. My butt is scraping on the wood. So right now I'll take you to the door that has direct access to the amazing beach. So let's go. You can see this metal gate. But when you step out, it's a whole new world. So yeah, oh my gosh, look at that huge and strong waves that are hitting. No wonder they are quite like famous for like surfing stuff. All the water sports and all the water activities. Wow. They have a pool also. Exploring the hotel. Wow. This is a big glass door which connects to the lobby. Yeah, we're back at the lobby. So now let's go check the gym. Let's go. Oh, go bicycle. I think they let us cycle. We follow what she says. Oh, then you can drive also. Then you take your dad.
他们的针。
Wow, like. Habiba? Let's go. Open the card first.
Going to the gym.
Let's go. Oh, use towels. Okay, come.
Shall we begin?